Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to find the personalization section. Now let's simply tap on wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. We've got the album, which is basically your own gallery. We've got some inventive wallpapers, so you will be able to create your own. Here we've got some static wallpapers and also live wallpapers, so the animated ones. And basically, if you'd like to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me pick from the static ones, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the full screen. So basically, if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen or home and lock screens. So I will pick this option, so let me tap on it and wait a second. And now you can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.